Okay, good. Well, it's not that great in here. All right, guys, it's Uranga. It's a day off for me because my child is ill. I'm in the middle of my new office that was created. See if I can get this right. All right. This is for the online courses. I'm trying to help you sort of get an idea what the heck to do on your next group project. The group project involves figuring out, dividing up the roles and jobs for the next um, project on Facebook. The key here is we're sort of setting the whole unit number two and dividing it up into segments on how Obama won the presidency in 2008. And that means that there has to be a leader among the 16 groups that are still out there. And that leader has to sort of help organize the team, figure out what variables, what factors help to defeat McCain. Obama won due to several reasons, as the vernacular would have it. But chapter 10 is a place to start. Chapter 10 talks about at least five theories that I know of to help understand voting behavior 2008, and for that matter, 2004, 2000, 1996, 92, and on and on. The three theories in chapter 10 start on pages 278 through 280, the first three. The first one is retrospective voting, which is reward and punishment. Obama won because the voters punished Bush, Republicans, and therefore McCain. They've rewarded Obama for being clear, well organized, well funded, articulate, transformative, inspiring, etc. They rewarded him. They punished the Republicans as a party. So that's called retrospective voting. The second model that you need to study is prospective voting, or what the text calls the responsible party model. And that responsible party model assumes that both parties try to articulate a future course of action, a set of policies that if you vote for them, they're going to carry out. For example, Republicans will carry out tax relief, Democrats will carry out increased taxes on the higher income brackets, over $250,000 a year. Prospective is about future policies that you'll enact. Retrospective is about perception of the past performance of the incumbent, and so there are different dimensions. When retro's back, pro's forward. Retrospective is thinking about the past performance. Prospective is about the future promises and policies that you enact once elected. And the third model, chapter 10, is called the median voter model. And that, if you look at page 279, there's a big normal distribution there, big old hump, if you see it, big old curve, where most of us are in the middle and both parties target the middle voter. These are the major three. Now, there are two other theories in that chapter. One is called electoral realignment, and that is an assumption that the voters broke away from Republicans, and they have broken away from Republicans for now the next 30 years and are going to support Democrats. The behavior of November 2010, the election of House Republicans and the Tea Party Express and all that suggests that the realignment theory doesn't work, and it's not the explanation that you should look for. Perhaps the fifth theory of chapter 10 that you might want to seriously look at is called de-alignment. D-E-A-L-I-G-N-M-E-N-T. And de-alignment is about the persistence and the lack of loyalty, the decline of loyalty over time between party identifiers, strong, ardent party loyalists among both Democrats and Republicans, and the rise of the independent voter, and not party, but independent voter. The indies, as I call them, and the rise of the indies is causing trouble for any politician, Obama, Kerry, whomever, Bush, Nixon. Since the 1960s, the rise of independent voters has seen the decline of loyalty amongst the most ardent of Republicans or Democrats. In 2008, some evidence for you, a lot of Republicans voted for Obama. So that's a problem for the Republican Party. They're trying to, hopefully in 2012, their job is to bring their most ardent supporters to the voting booth. And if you're a Democrat, 2012, your job is to get Obama reelected, to make sure that the alternative choice is not acceptable to the general electorate. And so when we're asking a question like for the Facebook project, how did Obama get elected? Obama was able to bring together, under this theory of de-alignment, these independents to the loyal Democrats. So those are 5 theories that you'll have to attend to this week. I've done this for a reason. I wanted to make sure that you heard my voice, that you're connecting what the heck I want with these projects, and each of you is to then take a part of this explanatory story. Some of you could take who Obama was. One of you could take who McCain is. One other could take a look at the theories that are behind this, what I'm saying today. Another could take a look at, well, what happened in 2008. Is there the evidence that suggests that, indeed one of these theories is better representative of the actual outcome, voting outcome. And then someone can look at the voting outcome. So if you have more members, it's easier. The less members, the more you're going to have to do multiple jobs. What I saw last time was a little bit disorganized, but you were trying to figure out what the heck to do. You can, I created Facebook pages for you. Now that I know what you can do, and you can do this, set up your own Facebook page just for the presentation of the collaborative essay on the right side of the Facebook page, and of course the 3 posts per student. Okay? I'm going to, right now it's 3/22/2011. I'm going to upload all the grades today from the Facebook projects for all 16 groups. That will be up as of tonight. As I said, I have a day in which my daughter is not feeling well. So I'm working on grades for other courses, but I will upload your grades for Facebook tonight. There are still 82 of you, so it's a lot of work, but it's been a pleasure. From what I understand, Blackboard is trying to set up its accounts so that Facebook-like activities can be done at Blackboard. So we may not have you forever on Facebook, my students, but I'm glad you were able to do this. Posting videos, posting documents, analyzing those documents, at least 3 posts for this activity on Obama. And I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing you complete this project. I will have more to say next time. I'm trying to learn this technology. I'm speaking to my Macintosh. I will upload it, and if I can send that to my YouTube account, I'll do that shortly. 8 minutes? Okay, very good. You have a good day, good week. It's week number, let's see, we're at 5. Take care.